page no mami Adwoa Safo wo se de enro Adwoa Safo wo bedi nkom bi yenti ha
Kugudu wo kwa yi candidate wo bia na no anu odi ma ate Kugudu e ma ba ya na to aba Kugudu wo be to aba ama obia na no a na wo di ma atem Kugudu Mema samba I want to what di matter. Maybe some question. Mema samba ya wagana ha. Want to say honorable Kennedy Agyapong or di matter. Or say me what dear. Magia bicycle di. And I go for the system so. And I me useless. And I make a bunch of anyone want to meet me. Okaye ewo krom ha Kugudu and the videos are there iti mo antie na mo kwaye ni bisi basa edit for pensa bu beji na ba na ne records na wodi atam including me a oni ma wo bienu na wo oni wo wo ye de
okay eti we ye Adwoa Safo oni kra Agyapong emamienu na enra on so wodi atro bi to Kennedy so se Kennedy di matem anya no kure na intentional na yeso ye be ka na sem bi se lady bi se de okay de yanyin to se Kennedy di matem ho lady ye friend Mariam Amwakwa Boadu John Mahama Adam fro no na lady Mahama ebe man appointment Ghana business commission to Spain lady obeka asem bi di fa woni Dr. Bawumia ho. Now, before I send you a video, I'm with you. Adwoa Safo, Ogu MPP party anymore say. Wo pa omo a ema NDC. Enya MPP Adwoa Safo. Now, the oye ni say ebra Ghana fo hia no no gina TikTok no osa no ti America ka brofo. Adwoa Safo yo. Ebra MPP go crucial time. Adwoa Safo ti America no what TikTok. Your friend no and what can brofo kire yi. 6 months in America near Santina Assassin.
I want to say a good evening to your listeners and everybody that's watching. And I'm grateful that you have me on this evening.
There's a lot waiting for you. In fact, in Parliament, the processes and the hearings have started, obviously, to hear some of your colleagues, including yourself, who've not been present in the House for some time now. Are you willing to appear before the committee? Are you willing to return and appear?
Definitely, I will return. As you know, my son has been unwell, and that is why I had to come here to the United States to, be the mother and the best mother that I could be. And I'm still here, making sure that all that is settled with my son and all the authorities and the school, and it's still ongoing. I've been a deputy leader of Ghana's parliament, and I know the rules, and I know that.
Akwe was, oh Lord of Lord, Lord have mercy upon them, because they don't know what they are doing. I am here say we pambe pro video. So I want to watch church. Girl, with you. Crucial time. MPP for here no North America. Lord Berry, tell me, I'm not Sam. Lord the deputy, now the deputy. Girl, we Emma Kufuor was yes. Tell me with you. Adwoa Safo. Me say, Opo bi obu MPP and Mtia Tete Emma Kufuor do every ho no a no. Now me Kennedy anya no hwe. Kufuor no say bibia bro so no frɛ Kennedy. No mko frɛ Kennedy Agyapong say wona woni pa no ene ne nkasa. Kennedy boni oye nyina ne say. Kennedy say, ofrɛ kosi ni backend so o ne ma me nkasa. Because no bia o for every avenue. Adwoa Safo show up. O say, so mama na mama ye deputy e the majority leader party emfa. Oma Oma eti Kennedy boni oye nyina no na kompre ku be kira asemu de enti ane Adwoa Safo ayi Kennedy ama odi na tetwa toroto no so on the name Bawumia munti hai.
They put pressure on me to call Adwoa Safo. I placed the call through my daughter 13 times. She refused to talk to me. She refused. What do you want us to do again? My daughter said to me that, oh, Daddy, my birthday, I've not received my birthday present. She was born 27th December. I said, okay, put your mother on the line to give me account and I'll let my friend transfer the money. She refused to talk to me. I heard it. The girl was holding, Mommy, Daddy wants to talk to you. She refused to talk to me.
Okay. Enti went you because or second Agyapong and support no. Now Kennedy pressure ne ba no so no or ye day on ne kwakasai girl yemfi no. One fino na na domu ye bibia obi amfi no omu ye kwa bia so Adwoa Safo amfi. Nanso so enne Adwoa Safo betena se akata nani e bo Kennedy mafia. Edu dia de kere Agyapong ne ko gina mu eyi makoko e man ka je da bi menene wo machisem ko campaign ma no. Ewi ase Kennedy ne na ase ni ya na mo ntena se. Ya na mo ntena se. Adwoa Safo mu ananim amomo nanim da person o twatro to Kennedy say Kennedy adidi matem enti Adwoa ya nyini Maria waye bibi ye de ne ho asemi ye be defend o ene ya wo twatro to Kennedy so no yanso we ye beji adi asemi we yenti asei
MPs woni bi da e wo bowura institutions na woni bi da jiso oba bi enwura wo office na wo no wo mo deda na e beto manima me boga na fo amane me se monko bisa Bawumia wone ma na deda rough. That's number one. Expose number one. More to come. Samira Bawumia bisa ukunu say what is his relationship with Adwoa Safo? Samira Bawumia, ask your husband, has he had an affair with Adwoa Safo before? Has he had sexual intercourse with Adwoa Safo? Bisa Bawumia. Samira Bawumia, bisa ukunu Bawumia, so one Adwoa Safo adana. No, mimi chinkwasi asem. Bisa no. Samira Bawumia, bisa ukunu Bawumia vice president. Se one Adwoa Safo adana. Because ye mubi mude yedim so one die. And the ma Adwoa Safo bufu ya wo free Ghana. Because now Kufuado ashim Bawumia ashim.
Enti according to Amwakwa Buadu Gewe oba Ghana what say Mahama kura man position. Adwoa Safo fa ne court. Senya no kura fa Gewe court. Ya de nenki ya anye ni o. But enne ya wo what wakati wani twatro to wo o ma papa so no. Ya the video e ba bontini ya bisa say. Eye no kura say woni na nado anya afeda woni Bawumia adapen Adwoa Safo. Enne ya wo twatro to Kennedy so no. We are also asking you say sanya no kura fasa lady na Mahama man position to Spain fa ne court. Open video na me de be send o. Wo oba papa o ma papa. What kata wani e twatro no so say wo didi matem. Really? It is say yanyintum Adwoa. Yanyintum say wo ni Bawumia e wo bibiye. Wo ni Akufuado aye bibi pen. Ntina obufu ya akwa abrochire. Na akeka ho kokeka ho nsam ho. Yanyintum ana. Te say wo wasua trotwa, wo twatro to Kennedy so. Wo so wo ye politics. Nti yanyintum say asemu Mariam Amwakwa Buadu e ka say woni Bawumia da woni Akufuado da yanyintum ana. These are questions I yebisa. Sanya no kra come out and take her to court. We a lawyer. Take her to court. Yentie biu.
MPs wouldn't be da. E wo bo institutions na wouldn't be da. Just or baby and wura office na no more dada. Na beto mani ma. Me boga na fo amane. Me se monko bisa Bawumia. One ne man the da rough. That's number one. Expose number one. More to come. Samira Bawumia. Bisa Wukunu say what is his relationship with Adwoa Safo? Samira Bawumia. Ask your husband, has he had an affair with Adwoa Safo before? Has he had sexual intercourse with Adwoa Safo? Bisa Bawumia. Samira Bawumia. Bisa Wukunu Bawumia. So oni Adwoa Safo adana. No, mimi chinkwa siasem. Bisa no. Samira Bawumia, bisa Wukunu Bawumia vice president. Se oni Adwoa Safo adana. Because ye mubi mu de yenim so onene die. Ende ma Adwoa Safo bufu ya wo free Ghana. Because na Kufu Ado ahwim Bawumia ahwim. Adwoa Safo so de wo meba wo so.
Okay. Eti se say no ye twen se Adwoa Safo. Nti se Bawumia woye no according to lady woye ne kanchema. Enu ntina wa sorry Kennedy so Bawumia yusu no said de be ya because on na wo. One na dam edam nti won betimi abeka so be she Kennedy. Sa Adwoa what wrong meat. One Bawumia what wrong meat. It said we are waiting to see say either you odi lady we be court Maria Amwakwa Buadu odi ne be court enya sade Adwoa ye giedi o se woni Bawumia atwempena Bawumia ne wada according to this lady nya safa ne court o we a lawyer ye tell me bo video me pesa me de ma no ba be kan tell me bo video to see say Maria Amwakwa Buadu ene Jomhama man appointment de yate ne say wode ne ko Spain Maria Amwakwa Buadu eti sa enu ntina sa woni Bawumia fa ntina wodi ane den aha wani etwa troto Kennedy so be ya wo ma ne ho be ya hindia ene Adwoa ye de we na ebre wo ye bisaw sa no krem oni Bawumia atwempena da anya sa fa ne kokot
Kwa yi candidate wo bia na no anu odi ma ate e ma be ya na Adwoa ba wo beto aba ama obia na no a na wo di ma atem me ma samba e wan ti so wo di ma atem me some question me ma samba ya wo Ghana ha wan ti se honorable Kennedy Agyapong odi ma atem o se me yi mu adie magia baisi kedi ena Kufu Ado tete me so ena me ye useless ena me papa show me nimu a want me tia me okaye e wo krom ha the videos are there iti mo antie na mo kwaye ni bisi basa edit for kan se bu beyi na ba na ne records na wo di atam including me a oni ma wo mienu na wo oni ho wo ye de imagine odo be
okay enti Adwoa Safo no yeni mo ba kura Kennedy kodi natem yeni ba bia Kennedy didi ono Adwoa Safo atem na mom suban boni a wo ka ho bi MMPP breye ekotena brochire Fremo Pari asoma me yedi sika se yemfa mra twatek also ma Fremo Pari as chief of staff ye bia anya ye ma menete ase Akufo de bufu ya ana mo frɛ Kennedy ana Kennedy was say Kennedy no anu asa video na mbɔkyerɛ ono wa frɛ ne ban so one man also ne nkasa because of position. And today I clear said lady way or you selfish from day one and one PPPE it we a delegate now jina say empty headed way age now your campaign to your wasem oni power time MPP because of the selfish interest Adwoa Safo yani abre na ye hwehwe no na ono ni ebra na ye ni abre no na MPP for hwehwe no de no wo ye ni no wo jina TikTok and
that woman has failed in life. A whole minister, a cabinet minister, now demanding that she should be made a deputy majority leader before he comes. You should go to hell. And you're on TikTok dancing. Excuse me. Adwoa used my kids. The kids were calling, Daddy, please, you have to support mommy, do this, and you should go and contest on TikTok.
Enti, asemwa kan Agyapong kan ye ni o. Yensa yebesa.
That woman has.
Yebesa bobiu. Yemobiu. O de yemobiu. Asemwa kan Agyapong kan ye ni o.
Failed in life. A whole minister, a cabinet minister, now demanding that she should be made a deputy majority leader before he comes. You should go to hell. And you're on TikTok dancing. Excuse me. Adwoa used my kids. The kids were calling, Daddy, please, you have to support mommy, do this, and you should go and contest on TikTok. She says she wants to be a deputy majority leader. That woman has failed in life. Please, why are you saying, hey, a whole minister, a cabinet minister, now demanding that she should be made a deputy majority leader before he comes? You should go to hell.
Did she write
yes,
this?
She has requested that. Yes, she has requested that.
And what was the response?
I have 2 kids with her, and therefore I'll never speak the truth. I will speak the truth, even at gunpoint. I will speak the truth and die. That is exactly what she's doing. Please.
Is this something that could cost her seat? Because some have suggested
yes.
that.
Of course.
Once
if
she's
you don't
not
come
returning,
to Parliament and you're on TikTok dancing, excuse me.
What's the exact law surrounding absences?
It's not for Apostle Adwoa Safo. Get it straight. And people are insulting me because I went there to campaign for him, for her. And Michael Kwe, the speaker, a man that I respect very well. But
you campaigned against his son for that don't come
because Adwoa used my kids. The kids were calling, Daddy, please, you have to support mommy, do this, and now everybody is insulting me. Yeah, for doing that. But I have not regretted because she's very responsible when it comes to the kids. So I don't have a problem.
Explain to us what the law exactly is on absences for parliamentarians.
Straight 15 working days.
How many days has it been now since she's been away?
That.
Should we expect her seat to be declared vacant?
Why not?
Kennedy Bonnie away
you should go and contest on TikTok.
Kennedy Bonnie in any you. The Bonnie in any.
Support the e-levy. No.
Eti akompre ko Bonnie asemo kan ya ni o. Because wa frɛ wa wonfa. Akompre ko asemo kan ni o nti Kennedy no obi wa so won tena se. But what is what didi Adwoa Safo atem. Oma fa kwan bia so girl is woma. Nti pacho asem ade ambocho Kennedy didi natem. Wo didi natem. Kanu mon kanu kure. Odidi natem. Oma be pa ni. Tia no mo say ma bi ungrateful nti say no kure. No mo say ma bi ungrateful nti say no kure. This is interesting. And adia lady ni yen so shocking. Jasma Kennedy can't watch what did not them. What I can cray. Mera hupao. Na Kennedy to Bonnie Bear Pan away. I said, you put down too much. No one, mamma me. Nentika wa ukrasa wonya bi manwa. Ukodi diate ukotwa troto no so sasai. So what did he matter? What did he matter more? Adia ye wo ye no wo ka say dia wo ye die na wo kra wo TikTok na wo sa. So wo TikTok e na wo sa. O videos bebre na wo TikTok no wo just say wo ginani a wo mfa de ko obi ade obi abeka bia wo mfa ho hwe. Wo de hwe. No ogu TikTok na wo sa. So wo TikTok na wo sa sa o. Na Ghana ye tua woka as a minister akufo do hwe obi ahu eti Kennedy boni oye no Kennedy ni boni oye no ne Ghana kura se adofo asakuro no mo se obi owe papa bia ni posori tia no wo de hwe o te TikTok na wo sa na wo cast lines akese na wo tweke enti yade asam ne se Mariam amokwa buadu se ne Bawumia twempana be ya no no kre one Bawumia twempana be ya no no kre eti Bawumia ntina se o ye Kennedy sa no se Bawumia nti no afa kwa bia so begu Kennedy ani mu ase Adwoa o interest sa wo pesa wo de wo didi da bia wo didi o papa sika wanya nyina wo enne wo nua kra boy enne information egu abonte se ya gitu mi nyina fru nua be mansa de amount nti wo position abenya ntina yenya na egu Kennedy ani mu ase na eya wo se Kennedy ba be source wo se odwen se Kennedy ba be so no so on fiu ko ma set trap na Kennedy abayi na no na o manya no na say MPP delegates yanwini kwa kire MPP delegates should think enya party no mpena sem eye kwan bia so a ye be sa say party ni with Dr. Bawumia bi on so moye na MPP delegates ni monwini kwa kire we kura ma hu say Adwoa Safo selfishness be ni say wo pese o political career ora yentie no ora muntie no yentie no o se de
na otobetimi ahwemanimu aka se oba menene wo mamienu ma appoint no as minister for BP ejabeto Ghana Gugudu Mesidiai and the Kennedy Agyapong mimi no amenena wo mienu no onye into my political career is at stake, my future is at stake, and my future is with Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia.
Nti watwatwa nsam na gu paper so ya quote ni se wo kwa kan we na mponche no ke ka bi kire Kennedy no oba be yi anon nti Bawumia campaign di asan wo as oni bibia ka kire delegates no nti di aya ne se yen destroy Kennedy no meso so nti wo interest nti MPP delegates en riske en kofa obi a onwini election en fa nemra en so bra wo lose seat no kire Agyapong en be gina mu ma wo be pa ne chew Kennedy dimirika radio no okọ domiko abenyanya sa belusu Adwoa belusu ne mane frɛ no Kennedy won twatro ne mane frɛ no daddy campaign for mommy really na wayi na masa no ye wiase nya do na wiase kwa ye papa na ya na se e de asia asem ni Adwoa Safo nti se no ye se yanyi ntum Adwoa sa woni Bawumia twempranti na se wani abresa no se wakudo Bawumia kudonku anon one ne hyehyɛ ho enyem na meka o Mariam amwakwa buadu enne mahama ebema ne position se nya no kura fa ne court enu ntina se wani abrɛ opese ogu Kennedy anim asetu in the name of Bawumia ntia fa ne court o Adwoa. This is a video record mo Bawumia support mo record them for man why
MPs wouldn't be da e wo bowura institutions na wouldn't be da jiso oba bia nwura wo office na wo no wo mo deda na ebeto manima me bo Ghana fo amane me se monko bisa Bawumia wone ma na deda rough. That's number one. Expose number one. More to come. Samira Bawumia bisa wukunu say what is his relationship with Adwoa Safo? Samira Bawumia, ask your husband, has he had an affair with Adwoa Safo before? Has he had sexual intercourse with Adwoa Safo? Bisa Bawumia. Samira Bawumia, bisa wukunu Bawumia, so one Adwoa Safo adana. No, mimi chinkwa siasem. Bisa no. Samira Bawumia, bisa wukunu Bawumia vice president. Se oni Adwoa Safo ada na. Because ye mu bi mu de yenim so one na die. And the ma Adwoa Safo bufu ya wo free Ghana. Because na Akufo Addo ahwim Bawumia ahwim. Adwoa Safo so de wo meba wo so.
Enti we de Ochiamia onim na asem ka osena na wasom a na Chiamia onim na asem ka osena na wasom a Mariam Amwakwa Buadu lady, that's her name. Oti UK South Ghana. They say Mahama man position ti Adwoa fane kokko to my why. Na wo mekire because say the wama ewiase nyina hu say woni Bawumia o boyfriend ntina say wo ye Kennedy sa no. Ye hu nyina. Na kompre ko hu. Oti say nwansena wodi ne ho agora wo be pere ukrum. Na Kennedy enno no wo ye interview UTV no ka sembi no se hwe enkrofo no mi omo ye o. Oma bopa say ye nyame asebe ye ma be soso mi mfi omo ma hu nyina ye nti ase
ba hope na mpempi na ya na ye bo woni no Dr. Bawumia ene Honorable Kennedy Agyapong minim say bibi o ho no mo a past umeki comment be oh he's a fine gentleman. Do you still stand by that?
No, I don't. No, I don't. I know so many things. I don't want to say anything.
Hey.
It looks a picture of innocence. But what I know. Sir, I'm going to planning. Chairman for Ofra womu say oh. What do you plan October, November? You be dinner tomorrow no one say any campaign. And I'm done also. I'm proud so almost starting from September, October. Edimatem, ni na mankanwe.
You know na essentially.
Yeah, because he met them, and that was his political strategy.
Wow. Until they won't now, they won't mean any good thing. Bianca.
No, and I'm a patch say.
Okay.
I don't even think about him.
Okay.
And I be
okay.
Maybe I'm just staying focused.
Okay, meaning myself, Tamale High Court, I really said Pandai. Yanko, I hope and I'm pimping. I am near Bo, one Dr. Bawumia, and Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Meaning say bibi o ho no mo past umeki comment to be oh he's a fine gentleman. Do you still stand by that?
No, I don't. No, I don't. I know so many things. I don't want to say anything.
Hey.
It looks a picture of innocence. But what I know. Sir, I'm going to planning. Chairman for Ofra womu say oh. What do you plan October, November? You be dinner tomorrow no one say any campaign. And I'm done also. I'm proud so almost starting from September, October. Edimatem, ni na mankanwe.
You know na essentially.
Yeah, because he met them, and that was his political strategy.
Wow. Until they won't now, they won't mean any good thing. Bianca.
No, and I'm a patch say.
Okay.
I don't even think about him.
Okay.
And I be
okay.
Maybe I'm just staying focused.
Okay, meaning myself,
okay, enti akompra kwas a response of the buy no we say we hunu do mo ye nyina no we focus cause o ma set trap a trap na we hunu nyina na wa ye ka Bawumia o pretend o keka na nima nyame so mpa enso mu ahode won ka ho wo mo edi na chikita certain strategy against Agyapong. Badabia no omu claim oh nya hwum yenka mom oh mamo nyesa ye nyina e party ba ko jack enya wo ye di na chesa wo ye o hwe ukonya nkrofo ntimi nwene nkwa kira ombedwen se obi ye di na chese enipa ne ye papa Bawumia akompra ko se say no a first one of friends who fine gentleman atwam ye say de o ye dey o present as o innocent face but ade ekosu bia no ne chechiri. Yes, and Bawumia you be flow na mo be yi anon. Silent means consent. On my da. Oh yes, because on him game no play no. Ono de o meka o say sa na Ghana phone be here. She adwuma no mo ni nipa na to wi ana na kosere. but this time around compra ku say wa hu secret no on fi wo mo na Bawumia na no Bawumia fa agent o sisi say nya sa bi o Bawumia o present no as innocent fee but or ye corporate ne ma bone ekoso nyina na ye no a o sha tire no mo ye sa adwuma no Adwoa Safo bedi Kennedy atemin I was say Kennedy bedi na tem ono abepa achew oba ga na o sa abepa achew we dem hwe ade se nanka de wo ye ya e de na o sa abepa achew we dem ntie hwa obepa achew
Me pesa me fa akwanya yi so ede echow pakese ede ma me party for the New Patriotic Party any party mpanyimfo yedi kan mampanyin na adodan kwakufu ado na bedi chire the vice president ye me the chief of staff Honorable Frema Osei Opare majority leader and the entire leadership of parliament Minuanom Emrashe Bedwafo majority caucus me percent me fa kwanya so epamu nyina chew emebi a etwemu eniye bi a efiri me ho ebaaye ese me sere mo se enya ni da ho ena enye madwimu na mesi ne pi sesebe me de monim betwitwiri fom eniama bebre na ekoso ewo mabrabom ene mabusie mu me fa akwanya iso de Nyankopon din sere mu nyina the regional executive Greater Accra, the constituency executives are Chairman Bonsu Eda Anu, the headquarters of New Patriotic Party, the General Secretary, any National Chairman, any Wapamfu Nina, the Pamunina Cho, support sympathizers, Munina Modo Party, no, Namodomi, a Wabishi Mukesie, a Wayan Pesia Nimuno, the Pamunina Cho. Yes, be a mon family bonny and chemmy. Seven penny for who baby says so back a jan and I go on now so in tranchany na sebe ye papa. Nia baby a Yankupon din Sremunina. Me
enti so on any panel or Kennedy bedi na tem na Kennedy ono no nsam fu a wodu ye affect MPP no obepa because ba no hu so belusu seat no. Adwoa Safo ba ya wo hu say say me belusu seat no. On say we greedy pa. On say ge on pen MPP asem o. On pen MPP asem da. Ne dia ne say da bia no obewo political class nim. No wo didaka ne ye gege ne so. Nti bra hu say obelusu seat no quickly no obepa achew. But anko ye. Ohui. Enipa no say Kennedy no obi akama asem na. On eno no opa achew no. Adwoa is selfish. Adwoa Safo is selfish. On no MPP bako. Sabe onu benya position tin odi Bawumia chi. Ayi we the girl so say ne boyfriend odi ne boyfriend Bawumia chi. Me da nyama na make girl na ba so office ye boa on fa girl ne court ne hwe. Eti we MPP delegate ubusu ne bia hunu sankrofo we na ma party ni nya attractive. Enkrofo we na ma party no enya kono na ye nwini power with this kind of crooks we mu. Ye nwini power. O de fedi agro. Edru amaka say hey omo kan na mantie hey nkofo ne kan ye ntie edru a obeka say ye mie phone lines 0242073114 ye mama for so nkom adwen